I'm using one really big onion. And maybe 2 small. I like it really oniony. I don't know about everyone else, but you can reduce or you can add. That looks enough, so I'm taking this out. An egg. This is the blender.
Kau janganlah buat macam tu. Nanti kaki kena trim semua je.
This the anchovies I've soaked.
Ikan bilis.
Ikan bilis. Ikan bilis. So it's all clean and soft.
How long do you soak it for?
As long as you want, because it's all going to be blended. You don't have to. Okay, I like a lot of anchovies. Handful of anchovies, and a bit of extra, right? Okay. So, I use coarse salt. I put quite a bit, maybe a bit more. Okay, the egg is already in there. I used baking powder. You don't have to. I like it, but not a lot of people do. I can't open it. About half a teaspoon
Yep.
or less.
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon or less.
Okay.
So I add a bit of water for the blending. Just so that it covers up a bit more. Okay, later you might want to add more. And I put the flour. My American audience say flour. You don't really have to sieve it all. You'll be adding more later, so to get a certain consistency. Alright, so it's blending. Today, no, we're doing a smoothie. Alright, it's a bit watery. Okay, so I want it to be a bit thicker, so I'll add a bit more. What do you call this? Flour. Wheat flour. I don't measure. I've never really. I don't really know how to measure, but so I'm just winging it. Okay, starting to look good. It will look thick. You might not use the whole. You might not fry everything. You can put it in the fridge for a few days. This is the perfect consistency. This is the perfect consistency. I've added a bit more salt. Then you just have a taste. Perfect. And the consistency looks good. Can you see?
Yeah.
More? Okay, so that's ready. Oil. A lot of oil. Okay.
So you have to wait until the oil is really hot?
Medium hot. Okay. I normally use a spoonful, a tablespoonful per cekodok. Okay. So you fill up the space. Mine is a bit flat. I've never known how to make it round, but I've heard people say that you have to put more flour, make it thicker.
But it gets harder.
But it gets harder after you fry it. I like it soft and fluffy. So
And yummy.
and yummy. And then you turn it around just so that the top bit gets cooked and set. See how flat mine is? Mine is not beautiful, but it tastes good. I know. Maybe I should change the name to Flat Cekodok. Okay. You can wait until it's a bit more browner, but I think this should be okay. I just want the inside to be cooked. It's looking quite nice. Come on. Right.
Crispy.
Very nice and crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Try and get the bits out so that it doesn't get burned for the next batch. Oh wow, oops. Okay.